This is your home, A to Z. I'm Dennis Seagroves with Citywide Heat and Air. Today we're going to talk about American Standard 20-SEER air conditioning systems. Over the past 20 years, the biggest problem I've had in the heating and air business is when we have 105-degree days in Oklahoma. My biggest complaint is the air conditioning is just not keeping up. And I think the basic problem is the units were not sized big enough for the house to accommodate 105-degree temperatures. These units have dual compressors. It will work with both compressors when it's 105 degrees and give you every bit of the power you need, but when the temperatures go down to 85, 90 degrees, all you're running is the smaller compressor, and which saves on a tremendous amount of electricity. When you need the power's there. When you don't need it, you're not wasting all that electricity running these big giant units. These are 20-SEER, so you can expect to drop your utilities by 65% over a standard old conventional system. This type of system has a 10-year compressor warranty and 10-year parts. To me, it's the best system out there. It's what I have in my home, and it's what I truly believe in.